the mixed green beans and the cauliflower rice, okay, with some sauce on there. Yeah, so I ate that around 11:30, and I was, girl, I was kind of hungry, okay, around 2 o'clock, but I knew I was leaving at 3. So by the time I got home, I had a nice salad. Boom, you'll see it. And I made some spring rolls. I put it in the air fryer. Next time I'll just fry it. But I'm trying to get used to just not frying it. But yeah, I prefer to fry it. And my protein shake. And this one is by, this is the vegan one. And this one is by Earth Champ. I love, I want to show you guys like what I am eating and how much protein I am incorporating. So with Earth Champ, this one is just 20 grams of protein, which is good, is excellent. Yeah, so I got like a whole lot of stuff going on in here. So this one is 16 grams. I have this right here. So you can have this for breakfast or for lunch. I'm trying to limit my carbs down, not a whole lot, but just, you know, keep it around 100, and that's it. Good morning. Okay, happy Wednesday. It is a beautiful chilly morning. Okay, I just had my protein shake. So I don't eat meat, but so I have to get my protein somewhere. So my protein is basically going to come from protein shakes, either powder form or ready-made, Greek yogurt. I'm trying to limit my carbs because for my body type, I've learned that eating more of a low carb diet does help me from there. But to be honest, I have been on Love is Blind binge for the past 2 days. So all I've been doing is just my regular walking at work and no regular exercise, no additional exercises after work. So happy Thursday to everyone. It is March 21st. Your girl is out here on the rooftop walking. All right, just want to tell you a little secret. I ate 3 cookies. I know I hold up 2, but I ate 3. All right, so it's sick day. I'm having the bread bowl, bistro French onion soup. All right, guys, so sorry I did not get week 3 video out to you. Today's Monday, so the video was supposed to come out yesterday on Sunday, but just kind of, I'm just going to piggyback off of Wednesday when you saw me walking and I was telling you about like my protein kick that I've been going on, some changes, and I do want to share that with you. So just stick around a little bit later and I'm going to share that with you. But like I was saying, I am a vegetarian, and that has changed, and I'm sad to say that I had to give up my vegetarian my vegetarian duties or rights, but just for a short period of time. So with my protein, like that literally helped me, and I just want to give you guys like a weight update. Even though I don't want this 75 soft to be about weight loss, because it's more about discipline, you know, changing my body composition. During week 2, I was lifting weights, okay? I started off week 1 at 174, week 2, 176, week 3, I was, because now it's week 4, but week 3, I'm 174. So I believe that 174, I dropped down to 174 because I literally just walked all of last week. Week 3, I just walked. I didn't worry about lifting weights. I didn't worry about doing any extra activity when I got home. I always get my 45 minutes of walking at work because I'm in the office. So what I did not mention when I first started 75 Soft Challenge was that you guys probably already know, if I'm not mistaken, I said it, but last year, 2023, I was on Wegovy, which is the semaglutide injections. I lost 20 pounds in 4 months, and I've been able to maintain my weight since May of last year, all the way up until now. And I owe that due to, you know, just walking and then doing some weightlifting here and there. So in January of this year, I was contemplating, should I get back on the semaglutide because I did not lose the additional 20 pounds that I wanted to lose on my own without the weight loss injections. I am currently, as of Friday, March 22nd, I am on Zepbound. I cannot pronounce the actual name, but it's not a semaglutide. It is a tripesoside. I'll put the name at the top. It works just like Ozempic and Wegovy and Mounjaro. It works just like that, except for it's this name right there. Okay, so I am on that. And the reason why I'm on that is to help lose the additional weight that I was not able to lose since being off of Wegovy. I am still considered overweight. I am 174 and I should be around the 150, 140, and I have not been able to do that. Okay, I really want to keep Zepbound weight loss journey separate from 75 soft because I don't want anybody to think who is following me on 75 soft that you need to do that. You don't need to do anything. You can do whatever you want to do. That is your journey, but I just want to keep it separate. So I will put that in the description box as a disclaimer going forward until the 75 soft challenge is over. That way, you know, when you see my body transformation, you don't just think it's just because of 75 soft. No, it is because I'm doing it in conjunction with Zepbound. Now, being that I'm a vegetarian, don't eat meat, don't eat fish, and I occasionally eat dairy, but I don't like to eat eggs, like scrambled eggs, I'm going to have to incorporate some meat because taking away my carbs like potatoes, rice, and stuff like that, I'm already limiting my intake already, my food intake, and then to add on taking away carbs, like you're really not leaving me with anything. So that is one of the sacrifices that I'm choosing to make. I did not think about that because when I was on Wegovy, although I was told to eat like that of a high protein, low carb, I didn't really follow the orders. Maybe that's why I only lost 20 pounds in 4 months. So this time around, I'm choosing to follow it the best way I can. And I feel like the only way I can follow it correctly is if I go back to eating meat. Today was no. Saturday, the 23rd, was the first day I started back eating fish and turkey. Today, which is Monday, I think it's 24th, 25th, or whatever day it is, I started back eating beef because I am so tired of waking up feeling hungry. I hope that you still follow me on this journey. I'm still going to be doing my workouts. Week 4, I am going to give you more of a measurement update, and I'm going to share a lot of my workouts that I'm doing this week. I just got finished doing Tracy Anderson, so that's, you know, just a heads up of what I am doing this week because I really want to push my workouts and get rid of the fat. You know, I do got like chubby thighs, like some of y'all may not think I do, but you know, this is all fat, you know. Yeah, so your girl is on Zepbound, and I will not be sharing that on this while I'm doing this series here. I'm not going to be sharing that unless you ask me, then I will share it. But other than that, I'll just give like a little quick update like, hey guys, I'm doing fine. This is what I'm eating, blah, blah, blah. But that's it. Oh, and another thing I wanted to share with you, I was in a size 12 of last year, 2023. Before I even got on Wegovy, I was in a size 12. Like the jeans were like literally fitting me like a glove. That means if I would have gained 5 pounds, that would have been over. And that was at 180 when I was in the size 12. I have been able to be in a size 12 the whole entire year. Girl, how about Saturday, I went to Ross and I decided to get out those size 12s because I got so embarrassed that every time I walked, my pants would sag or it was, you know, real loose around my thighs. You know, I got big thighs. So for it to be loose around my thighs, then that's, you know, a hint like you need to get new clothes. And size 10. So I bought me 3 pair of size 10 jeans and they fit so cute. And I can't believe I can actually wear them. I still do have some size 12s, They are more like the spandex kind, so they fit me just fine. But I just wanted to share that with you. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for viewing my videos. I really do appreciate it, and commenting. Thank you so much. Goodbye, gorgeous.